Alright, so today we're going to be doing the third lab for cybersecurity, which is ransomware. And first you're going to want to connect to all your machines again, then go to your Kali machine and start the terminal. I'll put the slides in the top corner again. And here we do a hostname-i, and write down this IP address somewhere or just memorize it because we're going to need it later. Now we can cd desktop/WannaCry, which just gets us into this folder over here, and we can do an ls to see what's inside it, just to make sure we have all the files. And it looks like we have all the files we need, so we can get the password from this pass file. We can just add ransomware.wannacry.pass, and it'll give us the contents of that file, so it looks like the password is just infected. And now we can use this password to unzip this file over here. So we can unzip that and type in infected, and here it'll give us this file. If we ls, you'll see that file. But we don't really want that long file name, so we want to rename it to ransomware.exe. So we just type mv, and then you type like the first 2 or 3 letters of that file, and then press tab. And now you can type ransomware.exe, and it'll rename it. So if you ls again, you'll see that it has gotten renamed to ransomware.exe. And now we can move it to our web server. So we can sudo mv ransomware.exe to that directory, and now we want to service Apache 2 start. Okay, now we can go to our Windows machine and take that IP address that you got earlier from the Kali machine and type it in here, 2.168.0.101, and just do /ransomware.exe, and here it'll give you a little prompt. Just press run. Alright, now we press run again, and it'll do its thing, and it looks like it's changed our desktop background and added some files. And now we have this pop up, and it's basically telling us that we have to pay them, otherwise we will lose all our files. And I think that concludes this lab. I think I should note that this version of WannaCry didn't actually encrypt anything. This is just like an example. I think one of the takeaways of this lab is to be careful about what you download and run, and to maybe not run executable files called ransomware.exe. Also, once you're done, make sure you press stop on your virtual machine.